20 things you need to know about commercial layers and Noiler's parent stock. Do you want to go into Noiler or commercial layers parent stock? The birds that will lay eggs that will hatch either Esa Brown, Low Island, Black Leghorn, any of the laying birds at all. This is what you need to know before you endeavor into that business at all. You need to know that commercial layers and Noiler parent stocks are breeders' birds raised to produce fertile eggs for hatching, not table eggs for consumption. You need to know also that they reach sexual maturity at about 20 to 24 weeks of age, depending on the breed and management. What it means is that between the 20th week, that is the 5th month to 6th month, they will start laying fertile eggs for you, because the male and the female are together. A healthy breeder hen lays about 1 fertile eggs per day, although some days may be skipped. Number 4, they produce approximately 5 to 6 fertile eggs per week. You need to know that they lay about 22 to 25 fertile eggs per month under good management. You need to know that a well-managed breeder hen produces about 180 to 250 fertile eggs per year. That means if you have 4 breeder parent stock, they will give you up to 1,000 eggs in a year. You need to know that the productive laying period usually lasts 45 to 55 weeks before egg production declines or drops. That the average commercial lifespan of a layer or Noiler parent stock is about 65 to 80 weeks. That is 15 to 18 months before you phase them out. You need to know that fertility depends on maintaining the correct male to female ratio, usually 1 rooster for every 10 to 20 hens. If the roosters are too many, there will be quarrel, there will be fighting, and during the period of fighting they may not cross the male, and most of the eggs will not be fertile. You need to know this. Parent stock birds requires controlled feeding to maintain the correct body weight, as overweight birds may produce fewer fertile eggs or even less than fewer. Proper body weight throughout the growing and laying period is very important for fertility and high hatchability. You need to know that they require high quality breeder feed, not the normal feed you use for your laying birds or broilers that you feed your breeders. We have what we call breeders feed, containing balanced protein, balanced energy, vitamins, minerals, calcium, phosphorus, and essential amino acids that is necessary for proper fertility and hatchability of your eggs. Most times, if the feed is not required, is not adequate for breeders, most of the eggs will not hatch. If they hatch, the birds may die after a few days. You need to know that the eggs should be collected at least 4 to 5, 6 times in a day to reduce contamination and improve hatchability. You don't need to allow the birds to stay too long on the laying clutch. You need to pick them regularly, unlike the table eggs. You need to know that fertile eggs achieve their best hatchability when set in the incubator within 7 days after collection, so that they will not start forming or become dehydrated. Then they may die before you even place them in the incubator. You need to know that the incubation period for commercial layers and Noiler breeders' egg is 21 days, though some eggs hatch before 21 days. You need to know that good biosecurity, routine maintenance, vaccination, parasite control, and disease preventions are essential for maintaining high quality fertility and high day-old production. You need to know that breeders' flock requires 14 to 16 hours of light every day during the laying period to maintain consistent egg production and egg hatchability. You need to know that commercial layers parent stock produce chicks that grow into egg laying hens. Did you get this? So while Noiler parent stock produce chicks suitable for dual purpose production, meat and eggs. When you talk about breeder stock, you are talking about birds that will produce the young ones that will produce either egg or meat, depending on broiler or layers. Not even some, many farmers don't know about this. Finally, for you to be successful in parent stock management depends on proper nutrition, body weight, control, lighting, mating, housing, health care, egg handling, and hatchery management to achieve high fertility, hatchability, and profitable chick production in your breeder's farm. All this you need to know before you go into parent stock breeding or day-old breeding. Thank you for watching the video. If this video interests you, please give it a thumb up and please share this video to reach more poultry farmers. If you want to go into parent stock breeding and all, you want to buy the incubator, we have them here in our farm. And you want to come and see them, you can still come in person to come and see them in person. If you are ready to buy, not a cinema hall, please. Thank you for watching. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers. And this is my birth month. If you don't know what to type in the comment section, at least happy birthday is good enough. Thank you. Share the video and drop your questions regarding this topic. You want training on parent stock, poultry farming, breeders stock farming, food production, that is poultry feed production, and health, anything concerning poultry. You want the training, we are always available for you. Bye for now.